Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Installed Flux Image Generator and up-to-date GPU drivers because performance depends on them. Once done, generate an API key in your account settings and copy it to a secure place. You will paste it into the app. Next, prepare seed images, set resolution to 1024 x 1024, and write a concise prompt draft. This gets you ready to run the first job. It avoids wasted iterations and reduces debug time when you move to fine-tuning. You now configure the job, pick a model variant and set sampling steps, try 25 to 50, because fewer steps are faster, more steps refine detail. Then adjust guidance scale between 4, 0 and 12. 0, higher values stick closer to the prompt. Upload your seed or reference images and select blending or mask modes to control influence. Once configured, set batch size and output format, then submit the job. Make sure to monitor GPU load to prevent throttling and to prioritize important renders. You finish by reviewing renders and selecting the strongest result, then apply post-processing like color grading or upscaling if needed. Export metadata, prompt, seed, model name, steps so you can reproduce or iterate reliably. If you encounter artifacts or style drift, try lowering guidance scale, increasing steps, or swapping to a different seed image, and then rerun a small batch. One key troubleshooting tip: if jobs fail, check API key validity and GPU memory. Restarting the app often clears transient allocation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.